Hey, what is up guys? This is the FNH here, and today I am back with a brand new product review, and I am reviewing the wireless earbuds, the HolyHigh Wireless Earbuds. Okay, so these earbuds, headphones I should say, I got it on Amazon for $40, right? If you looked at my previous videos, I have reviewed a lot of different headphones. I'm just trying to basically find out what the best headphones are and for what price. So this one's $40, so this is probably the average price you will find these wireless headphones for. And yeah, let's basically see how it is. So this is the outside case, just standard. That's basically the case, the headphones, right, or the earbuds, and this is just some information on the back. So let's open it up. So it does say it's 120 hours of listening time. So I don't know how true that is. It does say 4 hours of playing on one charge. So, and this is basically, what did it say? It's 3,000 mAh. Okay, so you can see the HolyHigh logo. It's pretty basic logo, but not bad. So this is pretty big, so if you guys are looking for something small and sleek, this is definitely not it. Check out my channel. I have a bunch of other headphones. Maybe one of those will appeal to you more if you are looking for something less bulky. Okay, so that's basically it. Let's open it up. That's two headphones. Headphones come separate. It's magnetic, so it fits right in. Closes it. That is, I believe, the charging. And this, interesting, I don't know if you can charge with that or if that is for, I believe that is an output. So if you want to charge something else, you could use this as a battery pack, which is pretty interesting. Don't really see much of that in your typical headphones. So what is this? This is probably just the charger and the booklet. Oh, and interestingly, it comes with a small little pouch. Okay, there are some that come with that, but most don't. So this is your typical micro USB charging port, right? I'm still trying to find one that has USB Type C charging port. These are just extra earbuds. So yeah, in my opinion, this is not probably something that I would be using on a regular basis, mainly because of the fact that size of it. I do prefer something more sleek and less bulky like this. It's just a preference for me. So yeah, other than that, in terms of quality, I think it's fairly well built. Let's see if it fits in my ear well. The ear fit is pretty good. Won't really, can't really complain about that. And the outside are supposed to be touch sensors, right? So there's no actual button on it. It's basically you can touch it and then it will detect the touch and then do whatever it's supposed to do. Okay, so yeah, these are Bluetooth 5.0, IPX6, right, 3000 milliamps, and it has up to 120 hours charge time, or I should say music time, listen time, with 4 hours on a single charge. So yeah, let me know what you guys' thoughts are. If you guys like this video, I will leave a link in the description below so you guys can check it out. It's on Amazon for $40. If you guys like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.